Next topic, equation. What is an equation? An equation is a condition on a variable. What is equation? An equation is a condition on a variable. It is expressed by saying that an expression with a variable is equal to a fixed number. For example, some equations are given here. First one, x minus 3 is equal to 10. Then x plus 10 is equal to 30. 3n is equal to 21. T by 5 is equal to 4. These all are examples of equations. An equation has an equal sign. The sign between its two sides. An equal sign is there. Then the equation says that the value of the left hand side or LHS is equal to the value of the right hand side or RHS. This one is LHS, left hand side equal to right hand side or RHS. If LHS is not equal to RHS, we do not get an equation. So, for an equation, LHS is equal to RHS. Next topic, solution of an equation. The value of the variable in an equation which satisfies the equation is called solution to the equation. What is meant by solution of an equation? The value of the variable in an equation which satisfies the equation is called solution to the equation. For example, consider the equation 2n is equal to 10. 2n equal to 10. Then, if n is equal to 5, we can substitute n is equal to 5 in the equation. Then that means 2 into, instead of n, we can write 5. 2 into 5, that is equal to this 10. 2 into 5 is 10. 10 is equal to 10. Here, LHS is equal to RHS. Left hand side is equal to right hand side. So, n is equal to 5 is a solution to the equation 2n equal to 10. Then, what about n is equal to 6? If n is equal to 6, 2n is equal to 10. That is the equation. Then, if n is equal to 6, 2 into 6 equal 10. Then, 2 6 are 12. So, 2 into 6 is not equal to 10. So, n is equal to 6 is not a solution to the equation 2n is equal to 10. Then, consider another equation, x minus 3 is equal to 11. Another equation. This equation is satisfied by x is equal to 14. If x is equal to 14, our equation becomes 14 minus 3 which is equal to 11. 14 minus 3 is 11. So, LHS is equal to RHS. So, we can say x is equal to 14 is a solution to the equation x minus 3 is equal to 11. Then, what about x is equal to 16? If x is equal to 16, our equation becomes 16 minus 3, that is not equal to 11. 16 minus 3 is not equal to 11. So, LHS is not equal to RHS. So, x is equal to 16 is not a solution to the equation. Now, we can go through some examples. State which of the following are equations with a variable. Identify the variables from the equations with a variable. We have to state which of the following are equations with a variable. First one, p minus 3 is equal to 7. Whether this one is an equation or not. This is of the form LHS equal to RHS. So, it is an equation. One variable is there, p. So, it is an equation with a a variable. So our answer is yes, it is an equation with a variable. Then we have to state the variable also. Which is the variable here? Variable p. Variable is p. Then next one, 2p greater than 3. Then it is not of the form LHS equal to RHS. So this is not an equation with a variable. Then now next one, 8 into 3 is equal to 24. This is a numerical equation. There is no variables. Numbers are there. Only numbers, no variable. So this is not an equation with a variable. So now this is a numerical equation. Numerical equation. Next one, 20b is equal to 80. It is of the form LHS equal to RHS. So it is an equation with a variable. Then what is the variable? B. B is the variable. Then next one, t minus 7 greater than 5. It is also not an equation. No. Answer no. Next one, 17 is equal to x plus 7. It is of the form LHS is equal to RHS. So then one variable is also there. Which one? X. X is the variable. So this is an equation with a variable. Which variable? X. X is the variable. Then 20 is equal to 5y. This is also an equation with a variable. Which is the variable? Y. Yes. Then variable y. Next one, 7 is equal to 11 into 5 minus 12 into 4. This is also a numerical equation, not an equation with a variable. No variable is there. So, no, this is also an equation with a, this is also a numerical equation. A numerical equation. Numerical equation. Next one, x minus 2 is equal to 0. This is also an equation. One variable is there, x. So answer is yes, variable x. Then 3q by 2 less than 5. It is also not an equation. So answer no. Next question. Pick out the solutions from the values given in the brackets next to each equation. Show that other values do not satisfy the equation. What is the question? One equation is given, some values are also given. We have to find the correct solution to the equation or which value satisfy the equation. That is the question. Actually, this method is known as trial and error method. That means to get a solution for an equation, we have to give some values to the variables and we have to check whether it satisfies the equation or not. This method is, we have to continue this process until we get a right solution. But this method is not a practical way of finding solution. The systematic way, the more systematic way of finding a solution to an equation you will learn in higher classes or next year we can study it. Now we can solve this one. First equation, 5m is equal to 60. Then some values are given 10, 5, 12 and 15. First we have to take m is equal to 10. Then we have to check whether it satisfies the equation or not. If m is equal to 10, 5 into m will become 5 into 10 equal then 60. 5 into 10. 5 into 10 is 50. 50 is not equal to 60. That means LHS is not equal to RHS. So it is m equal to 10 is not a solution. Not a solution. Next value 5. M is equal to 5. If m is equal to 5, 5 into 5 is equal to 60. 5 5s are 25. 25 is not equal to 60. So this is also not a solution. M equal to 5 is also not a solution. Next value m is equal to 12. If m is equal to 12, 5m become 5 into 12 which is equal to 60. Then 5 into 12 is 60. 60 is equal to 60. LHS is equal to RHS. So it is a solution. It is the solution. Then next one, m is equal to 15. If m is equal to 15, 5m means 5 into 15 equal to 60. Then 5 into 15 is 75. That is not equal to 60. So here also LHS not equal to RHS. This is also not a solution. So which is the solution? M is equal to 12 is the solution. Next one, x plus 4 is equal to 2. That is the equation. Then some values are given, -2, 0, 4, 2. We have to check for each value. First one, if x is equal to -2, then if x is equal to -2, equation will become -2 plus 4. Instead of x, we have to write -2. -2 plus 4 equal to 2. Then what is -2 plus 4? It is 2. 2, here is also 2. So LHS is equal to RHS. So x is equal to -2 is the solution. Then we have to check for other numbers also, because in the question show that other values do not satisfy the equation. So we have to check for other numbers also. Then second one, if x is equal to 0. If x is equal to 0, equation will become 0 plus 4. We know that 0 plus 4 is 4. So 4 is not equal to 2. So 0 plus 4 is not equal to 2. LHS is not equal to RHS. So it is not a solution. Next one, if x is equal to 4. If x is equal to 4, equation become 4 plus 4. 4 plus 4 equal to 2. Then 4 plus 4 is 8. 8 is not equal to 2. So 4 plus 4 is not equal to 2. It is also not a solution. Next one, if x is equal to 2, then x plus 4. 2 plus 4 equal to 2. Then 2 plus 4 is 6. 6 is not equal to 2. So 2 plus 4 is also not equal to 2. LHS is not equal to RHS. So it is also not a solution. So which is the solution? X is equal to -2 is the solution. Next question. Complete the table and by inspection of the table find the solution to the equation m plus 10 is equal to 16. What is the question? Some numbers are given. One algebraic equation is given, m plus 10 is equal to 16. Then some values for m also given. We have to substitute each value in given equation and we have to find which one is a solution to the equation. Then we can represent this table as this way. M plus 10. First value m is equal to 1. M is equal to 1. What is the equation? M plus 10 is equal to 16. First we have to substitute m is equal to 1 in the equation. If m is equal to 1, equation become 1 plus 10. M plus 10, so 1 plus 10. 1 plus 10 is 11. So it is not a solution. We need 16. Then next, if m is equal to 2, if m is equal to 2, m plus 10 become 2 plus 10, that is 12. Then if m is equal to 3, equation become 3 plus 10. 3 plus 10 is 13. Then if m is equal to 4, 4 plus 10, 14. If m is equal to 5, 5 plus 10, 15. If m equal to 6, 6 plus 10, 16. Then if m equal to 7, 7 plus 10, 17. M equal to 8, 8 plus 10, 18. M equal to 9, 9 plus 10, 19. M equal to 10, 10 plus 10, 20. So which is the solution? 6 plus 10. 6 plus 10 is 16. So, m equal to 6 is the solution to the equation m plus 10 equal to 16. Now, by inspection, we may conclude that m equal to 6 is the solution of the equation, since for m equal to 6, m plus 10 equal to 6 plus 10, which is equal to 16. So, this chapter is over. Hope you understood. See you in next class.